A 753 credit score is actually a fantastic score, and I'm here to show you how it can open up amazing opportunities for you. Did you know that a 753 credit score could save you thousands? Yeah, that's right. It's kind of a big deal in the world of finance, and today we're diving deep into what that really means. So what's the deal with credit scores? Basically, a credit score is like your financial report card. It reflects your credit worthiness and plays a huge role in whether you can snag that loan for a car, a house, or even just get approved for a credit card. And let's be real, having a good credit score can save you a ton of cash in interest rates. But what does it mean if your score is sitting at 753? Let's dig in. Now, when it comes to credit scores, there are a lot of misconceptions floating around. Some folks think anything above 700 is golden, while others believe you need to be in the 800s to be considered good. But here's the kicker. Different lenders might have different thresholds for what they consider a good score. Plus, there's this whole scoring range thing. A score can be categorized as poor, fair, good, very good, or excellent. So where does 753 fit in? Is it truly a good score or just decent? And how does it impact your chances for loan approvals? Let's break it down. To really understand where 753 stands, we need to look at what actually makes up a credit score. Your score is calculated based on several factors: payment history, credit utilization, the length of your credit history, types of credit used, and new credit. 1. Payment history. This is the biggest chunk, accounting for about 35% of your score. So if you're diligent about paying bills on time, you're already on the right track. 2. Credit utilization. This is all about how much of your available credit you're using. Ideally, you want to keep this below 30%. So if you've got a high credit limit and are only using a small portion of it, that's a win. 3. Length of credit history. This factor looks at how long your accounts have been open. The longer your accounts have been active, the better. 4. Types of credit used. This involves a mix of credit cards, mortgages, and other loans. Diversity can work in your favor. 5. New credit. If you've applied for a bunch of new credit recently, it can ding your score a bit. So yes, a credit score of 753 is considered good. It falls within the range that lenders typically view favorably, making it easier for you to qualify for loans and secure favorable interest rates. Keeping your score in this range will help you maintain good borrowing options. Now let's get to the juicy part. How does a 753 score affect your loan applications and interest rates? Well, generally with a score in this range, you're likely to get approved for loans at favorable rates. Most lenders see a score over 700 as a good indicator that you're a responsible borrower. So when it comes to applying for a mortgage or an auto loan, having a 753 can mean the difference between a decent interest rate and a fantastic one. To put it into perspective, a person with a 753 score might save thousands over the life of a loan compared to someone with a lower score. That's just how important a good credit score can be. So to wrap things up, a 753 credit score is generally considered good. It indicates that you're likely managing your finances responsibly, which can open doors for better loan terms and lower interest rates. If you're sitting at 753, you should feel pretty confident about your credit situation. Just remember, there's always room for improvement if you want to reach that next level.